Okay, I'm going to try and get this going. It's been handed to me and said, I don't even know what year it is. 1999. Is it 2.3? It says 3.3. 3.3 Mariner. I don't think it's been fired up for quite some time. So I will be getting the tripod out and we're going to have a play with this. Yuck. Oh well. Not bad. Simple little carb. Not too bad. No fuel. Oh, well, it looks like it's all there. Right. Bit of rust coming in. Needs a bit of a clean, doesn't it? Nothing to worry about. Single cylinder by the look of it. Yeah, it would be a single cylinder, wouldn't it? Yeah, 3.5. Yeah, definitely. I'm not too sure on the choke bit. I presume that's choke on. Is it? I don't know. I'll have a play. I'll need a. I think I've got one of them spare hanging around somewhere. All right, let's give it a whirl. I think. It's nicely on there. Shouldn't have to support it or anything. That should be fine. There's single gear, which is neutral or forward, because reverse is 180 degrees. Yeah, right round. So you have to twist the whole thing 180 degrees. You've got a trim lock there. I'll tighten these up now. At least they're still working. The transom bolts. Right, and I'm going to put a bit of fuel in there and see what happens. Okay, a few statistics out the way. So that, can you see that? Top of that, just above the propeller, is a cavitation plate. So that just determines the length of your engine, whether you want a long shaft or whatever, and you measure to the top, I'll show you now, of the transom. Put it back a bit. Okay, so the top of, oh, it's a bit stiff, that one. Okay, so this is the top of your transom. So you measure from that to the top of the cavilation plate. Okay, so on this one, she is 22, yeah, 22 inches, 22 and a half, probably. 22, yeah, that'll do. So that's a long shaft. I don't know if it's a long shaft, I'm not too sure, but that's a long shaft. Short shaft is about 15 to 17 inches, all right? Okay, then we're going to put some water in the barrel, and we're going to just come up above the cavitation plate, because this has draw fins at the side here, whereas my Mercury, my Mercury 10 has a draw plate underneath the cavitation plate. This one has at the side, so you could use earmuffs on these, and then you could put a straight hose pipe to the earmuffs, and that would draw the water through. So if it works, of course. I don't think it's been started for quite a few years, to be honest with you. No, I'm not going to let you watch. Let me fill this up. It's going to get quite boring. Put it back a bit. I'm not too sure what the fuel ratio is. Is it 50 to 1 or 100 to 1? I'm going to use my lawnmower fuel, which is I think 50 to 1. It should be alright. We're not going to run it for long. I'm just going to fill up to the first, not the cab, I'm going above the cavitation plate, just so we get a bit of running time if it runs. go. Make sure you undo the air vent at the top. It'll probably be alright for now. I'm not too sure whether this fuel tap is on or off because there's no marking, so I'm leaving it straight down. I presume it's on. Okay. Didn't think I had one, but I don't. Ooh. Looks like she's leaking fuel already. So it sounds like the float chamber's jammed by the look of it. Pouring out there. Okay, we'll give it a go. That must be choke on. Put on slightly start. Fuel stopped leaking for a minute. What is choke? Is that choke? Smell very. Might take the plug out and give it a. Bit more je ne sais quoi, should we say? There's no primer on this, is all I don't think, is there? Okay, a few more pulls and I'm taking that plug out. Whether the choke was either up or down, it should have had enough fuel. So, we'll see if she's sparking. I mean, you know. That feels it. That's choke. Because it's, you can feel the difference in the pull. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, come on, baby. Oh my God, look at that. Woo. And believe it or not, the impeller's working. Go for a walk. Whether that was, I don't know if that's choke. Could be. I'll have another finger. Okay, my mistake. I'll show you. Ran out of fuel, I think. I put the fuel tap up the other way. So it's down for fuel on. I thought it was anyway, but you never know some engines. Alright, let's give it another go. Squeeze it up. There we go. Right. It's going to take a while. Fuel to come through again. Oh, come on. Ooh, yeah. brass? Is it brass? No, no. Okay. Whoa, look at that spark plug. All that could have come off to get the spark plug out? No. Nope, look, there's the plate underneath here. That's what I'm looking at. Ah, right, okay. There's a plate underneath here. I didn't see that. I didn't even know there was one. Okay, a couple of screws. I'll get a screwdriver to fit that, and we'll have that off and have a look at that spark plug. I think I've seen better days. Okay, so there's no need to take the tank off, which you've just seen, but stuff like this, you need to check your fuel lines. I'll probably replace them. No, not probably. I will be replacing the fuel lines, clean those up, put some new clips on here. Looks like the taps are right, but I'll give that a clean. Anything else I can find, I'll do. Let's take the other bot off now and look at the plug. Okay, so in the bottom of here, there's like a small plate. You can't see that, and then you've got two. Let's see if I can bring you around. Two, where are they? Press studs. See that one there? Just there. See it? They're just rubber presses. So this has been put on wrong. this is supposed to slide over a little. I'll show you. See them underneath here? So this slides over that and stays into position, I think anyway. I'll have a look when we finish, and then it fits on there. Multi-tool, they did the job. I'll give him a bit of a, there you go. Looks not too bad. I'll give him a clean, put him back in, fire him up again. There we go, that'll do. The little cap on the end was coming undone as well, so that wouldn't help. Okay, I'm going to do another quick go. I think we've got a problem with the fuel because the fuel's leaking out and the tank was almost empty. And there's loads of fuel in the water butt, so we've got a fuel leak somewhere. I know it's leaking from the bottom of the float chamber, but yeah. Okay, another raz. Lucky. Whoa. Oh, yeah, it could be into the cylinder. Oh. That's not a good sign, is it? I think we've got fuel. Oh. You know something, I think this engine's past it. I know we got it going, but I think we're going to write this one off. Keep going. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm going to show you around a bit. This is pure fuel coming out all down the leg. So if anybody has any ideas, because I'm stopping now, leave a comment down below. Look at that. So This one might be for the scrappy, I think, because you wouldn't trust it. Or I might rebuild it and buy a carb kit. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. That would be great. We did fire it, so it wasn't dead, and I don't think it is, but the fuel, see, I put some more fuel, it's going down like there's no tomorrow. So it's going somewhere, I'm not too sure where. So it seems as though it was jamming inside on the cylinder head. So it's just chucking. It sounds like the carb is absolutely chucking it. It's leaking again, look, here we go. Yeah, I'll order a new carb kit and let's give it a go. We won't call it off yet. So there'll be a part 2 when I order the kit, and let's turn him off. Yeah, okay, so if you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button just here, subscribe button and notification bell over there, and any up and coming videos over here. Take care, thanks very much, and I hope you enjoyed the vid. I did. I got blisters to prove it. Take care, see you in the next one.